I'm not against Hope, against Rochas.
Against Rochas.
Now, you are under hold up. Wedra Road. It's Sun City Construction that you're handling that Wedra Road. That Wedra Road has been under construction for more than 6 to 7 months now.
Yeah.
No headway. The hold up, erratic bottleneck traffic grid block that is causing in this Wedra Road is something that Nigeria as a whole should be concerned about.
Yeah.
Rochas is a hypocrite, big one, because now he's trying to bring in construct roads.
Yeah.
8 years in office, what did he do? Nothing. He's trying to bring in some kind of modality so that we'll not send him to prison. Rochas is going to prison. He wanted to bring in Ugumba so that to cover up his atrocities. You understand? When he covers up his atrocities, he will still be manipulating Ugumba against us. It cannot be. It cannot be. Solidarity continues. Rochas is going to prison. The second governor that will go to prison. My brother, thank you for the day.